sure to watch at the very end of the video. Something exciting is gonna happen. So vinegar is this liquid that smells strongly, and I don't like the smell of it. So as you see here, little bubbles start to form on the egg skin. That's because the acid in the vinegar is eating the calcium on the egg. So you know when you eat sweets, the acid roots your teeth. It's because the teeth is made out of calcium, the same thing as the egg. So when the acid eats the calcium from the egg, it makes the egg shellless and only a thin skin of membrane.
And then
Called the membrane.
Fancy.
Yeah, and a thin skin of membrane, called the membrane, surrounds it. Now, this skin is really soft and it makes the egg squishy, and you can also bounce it, but not too high. You shall see what happens.
As you can see, the bubbles attract to the egg, and then it starts eating its shells.
Okay, so the bubbles are there because the vinegar and the calcium forms a chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide, and the bubbles rise to the top.
And I don't like fruit in vinegar.
And I also don't like.
And it smells disgusting.
Yeah, you should try it out for yourself. Now, we have to wait this for at least 24 hours. 6 hours if you want to peel the skin off, 24 hours to eat the skin complete. 24 hours later.
24 hours later.
Okay, this is about 24 hours. Let's go up. Egg. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. We're so excited. The shell's been completely eaten up and squishy.
And look at the yolk inside. You can easily see it. Do you see that orange red ball thing? That's the yolk. And I'm so excited to see this.
It's surrounded by the membrane.
Oh! Brain. So this egg is already bounced, but it's really bouncy, but you can't touch it. Hard, but bounce it.
Yeah. It's so excited. The egg's just been removed. And as you can see, the shell's become completely eaten off. Now I want to see how long it bounces. Okay. Still okay. Still okay. Still okay. It broke. Okay, that was about 30 centimeters. Oh my gosh. Look, you see the membrane right here?
Did you see the yolk?
Oh, you can use this for scrambled eggs.
Oh my goodness.
gosh.
Let's squish that. Squish, squish, squish.
Stay there. Hey Claire, there's your chocolate.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, look at how slimy it is. No, I want to get the membrane out. Okay, so as you can see, the egg has been surrounded by this skin called the membrane. And
We already know that we told you already that it has a membrane, but we are,
oh, look at the yolk.
Oh,
Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I'm sure you learned a lesson. Never drop eggs from 30 centimeters, whether they have a shell or not. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot. If you want to watch more of my videos, go to Bosh Iron Play. Yeah, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye-bye.